Hi besties, hi fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Miss Marcia, and if you have been part of this community, thank you so much for being part of this community and for commenting, for liking my video. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, I hope that you will stick around and that you will subscribe and like the video. Please do like the video because that will help me to grow the community and for the video to reach other people. So on today's video, it's not going to be long because your gal has received an extra or a bonus check, if I can put it that way. So I'm just going to be breaking it down for you so you can see what I have done with the bonus video. But first, I want to make something to drink before I go and sit down. So if you can just make it with me because I'm trying to make some lime and water. So let's do that. So this is already washed. So I just wanna chop it for you. It looks really nice. Okay besties, so I've got my water. I don't want it cold because it's a little bit chilly, so I'm fine with like tap water. So I think we can just like go sit down so we can just do the breakdown of how I spent the money, because yeah, we already spent it. So let's just go sit down and do the breakdown. So we are outside. I just needed something to drink. I haven't really been hydrating that much today. Your girl has received a bonus check of 18,000 and some few hundreds, and I knew about the bonus check prior. I have like a breakdown. Please don't mind me looking down. So I have a breakdown of the check, which it is so simple. So the first thing, when I got the amount of the check, which is 18,000 rands, I then just thought of things that I need to do with it because I didn't want to feel so excited about it and ending up spending it in ways that would not really benefit me or in ways that I would actually regret afterwards. And I just want to ask you, like, how do you spend your bonus check? How do you spend it? How do you actually plan for it? Because I'm actually big on a budget, and on this check for the first time I kind of like tried to do the zero base budget, but it's not like a zero base because there's like 100 rand that is floating, and for right now I want to use that 100 rand as money for fees, like bank fees and stuff like that. So just ignore the 100 rands that is missing on that. So let's try and break down. I'm also going to put something on the screen for you to see my breakdown. I just wrote it on a budget sheet for you to see, but I'm going to go through my tablet to see how I've spent the money. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy this. So besties fam, I actually have a loan of 70,000 rand because I needed to do something with that loan, and we still have to find like a way of paying it off. So the first thing that I thought, because I have been having that credit or that loan for quite a while, I thought the first thing with the bonus check is to pay 10,000 rands to the loan, which I did. So now we are left with like 60,000 rands of the loan, and the percentage of the loan or the interest rate of the loan is like 20%, which is quite high. So we need to find ways on how to pay it off, and I thought like taking from the bonus check the 10,000 rands and pay the loan, it's like the first step, because I really want to pay it off quickly, and I still need to find like ways, and we'll do like a separate video where we're going to look at ways of how we can try and beat the interest rate. But it was for a good cause for me to have that loan, and also it's gonna assist me on my credit score. So 10,000 rands actually went to the loan, so I think that is really good. It's gonna help me a lot. And I took 500 rand for self-care So the 500 rands, I did my hair. As much as it short hair, trust me, it's also expensive, and how they charge, how they do things, the haircuts and everything. So I took it from this money because I didn't do that on my actual monthly budget. I thought I'm just gonna leave my hair. And then for parents, I gave them like 3,000 rands, so that's already like 13,500 rands. I'm still left with change though on my self-care, to be honest. There is change. For the parents, I just give them like 3,000 rands. They're gonna sort themselves out with that one, for them just to spoil themselves. 5,000 rands, please don't judge a girl. This is extra money. I've been working hard and I thought, why not? So I took them 5,000 rands and spoiled myself. So how did I spoil myself? First of all, as you're watching this video, I've got a new stand, but I'm gonna show it to you how I spent the 5,000 rand. So I bought like new baby, so I bought like accessories for this new baby as well, like the screen cover and this outside cover as well, the stand. And remember, there's a video where I've mentioned that they actually like broke into the house and they took like a speaker, they took some clothes, shoes, blankets, like a whole lot of things. It was not really fun. So right now I got myself like a speaker because it was kind of like boring not having a good sound when I'm watching something in the house. So I got myself like back a speaker, like a Bluetooth, but a very good looking one, which I will show it to you on the video. So I got myself that. So I bought things on Takealot, and you know, wanted to buy like few clothing items as well, but I'm not gonna share that. But I did that. I'm still left with change. I also went to buy some cosmetic because my skin is really troublesome. Like I suffer from spots and acne, and right now is winter. I've been trying to explore like different products. I've been using the ordinary products. I also still have an added gentle magic because it has been treating my skin quite good as well. But I can see that my pigmentation is quite back, and I was home, I was exposed to the sun quite a lot, so I needed something to just try and moisturize my skin, especially at night. So I did get like some products concerning that to add the stand. Just it's a very cool stand. I'll show it to you guys on this video. It has like a remote, so I can control the video without touching the phone, which is quite cool. I like that. So please do let me know on the comment section on how you deal with the bonus check. How do you actually plan for your bonus check, especially if you do know about it and if you do know the amount of the bonus check? Because I did my monthly budget knowing exactly that I'll have this bonus check, worked around it a little because like I got things stolen and I really wanted to get those things back. So right now I'm left with some money and I'm thinking I just want to get like a good scent of like perfumes and stuff like that, just to build up on my collection. I love to have like a couple of perfumes with me. So I think with the money that I'm left with, I'm gonna do that. And I didn't put any money on the savings challenges because my salary, I've already done that. I did that, and then we'll have like an update on the savings challenges. So I didn't do any savings on this one besides paying the loan, which I think it was worth it. It's not like paying it off, but I really feel like it was worth it. Like it took quite a chunk, because right now with the loan, my credit score is definitely not good. So we are trying to pay it off as quickly as we can. But like I've said, we'll do a separate video on that one. So I hope that you will let me know on how you deal with any bonus check, whether it's a stockful money coming in, or whether it's a bonus check, or whether if you've got like a part-time hustle, if that money comes in maybe like quarterly, or you've got dividends coming in quarterly, like how do you plan for that kind of money? So this is how I spend my money, and do not regret taking the 5,000, including the self-care is like 5,500 rand for me, because I hardly do that on my salary. So I thought, you know, like just prioritizing the things that I need and also prioritizing making myself happy, prioritizing having like gadgets for my content creation as well is key, because I really want my YouTube to grow. I really want, you know, like my social media to grow, and I'm very much thankful to have you guys with me. So thank you so much for watching this video. For everyone who just joined this channel recently, thank you so much for the love, for liking the videos, because we need that. Like, I need to see what I'm doing is actually touching other people. I need to be corrected. I need people to voice out what is working, what is not working, because I am not teaching, but I'm sharing my experience. I'm sharing how I'm doing things, and I would also love to learn from you as well. Like I said, I don't want to make this video very long. I want to enjoy my view. It's a Sunday. Tomorrow it's a Monday. So I'm going back to work. I've been home, as I've said, but I'm going back to work. So I just want to like chill a little bit, take this all in, recharge myself. So please do let me know if you've loved this video by giving it a thumbs up and by liking and sharing, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Bye.